Hi, welcome everyone to CSC Investing YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to trade stock tokens in Binance account. I will show you how to buy and sell these stock using real accounts in real time. Okay, let's go to video. Before that, I will like to invite you to subscribe my channel and like and comment the video. Okay, let's go to the content. Let's see what you need first. The first thing is you need to have verified Binance account. If you don't have Binance account, you can create a new Binance account using the link in the description. The special thing is you can get 10% of your trading cost off from that link. Okay. The next thing is you need to keep BUSD in your spot wallet because the stock tokens can trade only using BUSD up to now. So you need to have BUSD in your wallet, spot wallet. Then let's see what are stock tokens. Stock tokens are tokens that closely track the performance of traditional financial securities. Stock tokens are Delta One products that are backed by physical shares. Delta One products means you can get the same experience as physical shares. Let's discuss why trade stock tokens instead of shares. Unlike traditional stock, users can purchase fraction shares of the listed companies with stock tokens. For instance, for a Tesla shares that trades at over $700 per share, stock tokens enable investors to buy a piece of the underlying share. Example, you can buy 0.01 Tesla shares using these stock tokens. In addition, Binance does not charge a commission for stock token transactions, offering traders the opportunity to save money. There are so many advantages. Let's discuss them later. This is how a stock tokens regulated. Each stock is fully backed by share held by CM Equity AG, a licensed and fully regulated assets management firm in Germany. So CM Security AG entrusts the acquired shares to a third-party brokerage firm for custody. In addition, CM Equity AG will be monitoring all trading activities for compliance. Stock tokens are denominated, settled, and controlled in BUSD. I mentioned it early. These are the advantages. So token holders will enjoy certain shareholder benefits like they will be able to get dividends, share splits, and scrip dividends. All the corporate actions will be notified by to client by email in advance. In such a scenario, they will automatically issue tokens representing any new shares as required. But there are few disadvantages. Those are stock token holders are not entitled to legal or voting rights. Additionally, token holders are not eligible to attend the company annual general meeting. These are the basic things you need to know about stock tokens trading. Let's see how to do this. This is Binance. So if you are not having a Binance account, as I mentioned before, you can create a new Binance account going to the link in the description below and verify the account correctly. After verify the account, you need to log in to the Binance using a web browser. This new feature is not available in mobile, iOS, Android, or web desktop apps like Windows or Mac apps. So you need to log into the Binance account using a web browser and then go to the trade, and under the all options there are stock tokens mentioned in new. Then click it. These are stock tokens. You can see only 5 stock tokens because this is a new feature. I will believe they will add so many new stock tokens to trade by the customers. These are stock price. These stock price are same as physical share prices. You can check in another website if you are not sure. All these pairs are based on BUSD. Okay. Uh, when talking about the market opening times, you can trade these uh, stock tokens after 2 minutes. The US market open and the market is closed. This stock token market is closed before 2 minutes. The US market close. That's only thing you need to know. Then you can select your preferred company to trade. I will do this using Apple stock. These are not financial advisors. This is for only education purpose. So go to trade. So this is the trading page. You can see the price chart and the other stocks available in the trading page. And there are two options, buy and sell. You can see. Let's try to buy. Make sure the US market is open. If the US market is closed, you can't buy or sell any stocks, uh, and you need to log into the Binance using web browser. I confirm that by asking customer service. This is the available BUSD quantity in my spot wallet. uh, you have to input the share quantity in this field. So they are in Apple stocks, and keep in mind you can add the minimum share value is greater than 0.01. So I will buy 0.03 quantity from Apple stock and then click buy. These are the cost and the other details. Then I will press the confirm. So after that you can come to the down of the page. This is the history of trading. In the asset column you can see your assets. You can see the 0.03 my bought quantity and the cost and other details. In the history section you can see your past transaction details, uh, all of them, and you can filter them. Then let's try to sell some shares. In that case you need to sell the available quantity adding to the sell option. You need to put the same quantity in the sell section. Then you can sell the your assets. First I will sell a part of my assets. I will put 0.02 and sell. Sorry, mistake. I put 02. It should be 0.02. Then sell and confirm. After that you can see my available quantity is uh, 0.01. That means 0.02 quantity have sold successfully. If you need fully sell, or you can partially sell your quantity. Again I will sell the available quantity 0.01 and sell. Confirm. Okay, the assets have gone. Okay, then let's try to do some short selling. I don't know it is available or not. I will put 0.01 and sell the quantity and confirm. uh, oh, I think it is not available. You can't short selling. Okay, this is the thing I need to show you in this video. So choose a company on your own research and invest yourself. So thank you very much for watching this video. You can like and comment to my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next.